The Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra 6G is expected to represent the next major evolution in Samsung's flagship smartphone series, bringing futuristic technology and premium performance to a whole new level. As one of the first smartphones rumored to support ultra-fast 6G connectivity, the S27 Ultra could deliver unmatched download speeds, near-instant streaming, and revolutionary real-time communication. The device is also anticipated to feature a stunning next-generation dynamic AMOLED display with an even higher refresh rate and improved brightness, making it perfect for gaming, content creation, and everyday use. Powering this flagship is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, designed to provide extreme speed, advanced AI performance, and smooth multitasking across the most demanding apps. One of the biggest highlights is the groundbreaking 400MP main camera, which could set a new standard for smartphone photography with incredible detail, professional-grade zoom, and next-level low-light capability. To support all of this power, the Galaxy S27 Ultra 6G is expected to include a massive 9,000 mAh battery, offering exceptional all-day and even multi-day endurance. With Samsung continuing to push innovation through cutting-edge design, camera technology, and next-gen connectivity, the Galaxy S27 Ultra 6G could become one of the most revolutionary smartphones of the future mobile era.